Hi and welcome on this video tutorial. I am Matteo Medugno from WebYourMind, and today we are going to learn how to create a WordPress site, a corporate website. This tutorial will be very easy and step by step, and I hope that it will be useful. WordPress is a CMS as Joomla or Drupal. Is a content management system and is born to create blog, but is used also to create website. And to create our first website, we will use a free host 000 webhost.com, and I choose this host because it's free, so you can try. First thing to do is to register on this site to get the access. You have to create a free subdomain, insert your name, your email, choose a password, insert here the number, agree, press on create to my account. After you will receive an email, you have to confirm. After about 5 minutes you are ready to go to start. Okay, now that you have confirmed on email, you have your domain here, status is active, so you can start, and we press on go to cPanel. The important thing that you have to remember is that I am teaching how to do it in a general way, so it's important that you understand step by step what I'm doing, because every web host has a different control panel. Usually is very used cPanel, but maybe it's different. But if you understand what I'm doing, you can do it everywhere. As you can see, we have many tools here, and we have to move to File Manager. Here is necessary to log in again. Continue. Here we can see the structure on your server, and if we go to public HTML, we find ACT access and default PHP. Here we have to insert the WordPress file. Okay, now we go to wordpress.org/download/ and we press on download WordPress to download the last version of WordPress, and we save this zip file somewhere, for example on desktop. Okay, now we press on upload. We choose the directory public HTML, press on choose to confirm. Here choose archives, choose file, and I select WordPress and I submit. Will take some time depending on your connection. If you prefer, you can use an FTP client. You click on view FTP detail, and you can see hostname, username, password, and so on. You can use, for example, FileZilla. Here you can download the client. You open FileZilla and press Site Manager, press on New Site, I call it Test 1, Host, give the name of the host, here FTP host name, okay, username, choose logon type normal and insert username, your password, and press connect. Here we can see the server, and you can upload file on public HTML. So from desktop you unzip files to upload, select all the file and drop the file here in public HTML. Really is really faster, so I prefer this way. You have to wait that the cake is complete, and in about 10 minutes you have upload all the WordPress file on the server. To use WordPress we also need the MySQL database. So on software service we press on MySQL, we choose the database name, a username, a password, we repeat the password, and before go on you have to write down all this data here. We press on create database, okay, and we have here all the data. We will use it soon. When you have uploaded all the file on public HTML, you can check on FileZilla, or you can check on File Manager. Here, if you see in public HTML, we have uploaded all the data. You go on your site, you will see this error. Don't worry. You see I have inserted the domain here. WordPress asks us to create a configuration file. We press here, some advertise, okay. WordPress needs the database name, and we have it, database username, database password, database host, and this is not necessary, table prefix. Okay, let's press let's go. Database name, I have all this data here saved. It was called database name test 1, username, choose password, yeah, database host, and to find database host you have to check on main screen on cPanel, MySQL, here, MySQL host, select it, copy it here and press submit. Okay, alright, we can run the install. Now he wants a site title. Okay, I choose always test1. Username, this is a different username, is username used for WordPress, not for database. I will use admin and also choose a password. Okay, insert my mail. I will not allow search engine to index it, this site. Okay, press install WordPress. Okay, we can now log in. Insert username and password. I choose to remember me. Login. Here we are. We are on dashboard. Here we can control all site. If we want to see the site, we go on here, house icon, press visit site. Here we can see our WordPress website. As I said before, we are going to create a corporate website. So first of all, we add the pages. We move here and press on pages. We delete the sample page, trash. Okay, we add our first page, that is home page. And we press on publish. We add a new page. Who we are. Who? Publish. And add new. Contact us. You have different tools to format your text here. Click on publish, and if you go on website, you can see here page. We have to manage the menu or an appearance menu. We create menu. I call it main. Press on create. I want that this is top primary menu. and add from here pages. I can choose the order and I save. If we go on our website on the other tab, we refresh and we can see on page who we are, contact us. Now you have to set from setting the home page here, front page. I select home page and I save. If I refresh, I can see the first page is home page here. If I don't want to show comment on pages, I choose the page, edit, select from screen option, comments, no, sorry, discussion, and I do not allow comments. Update, refresh, and here I have no comments. As you can see, our website is really simple. Now if you want to change the aspect, the appearance, go in appearance. As you can see, WordPress works with themes. Now active is 2014, but if you want download another theme, you can go on Fab Themes and choose the theme you prefer. For example, Rivera looks like really nice. I press on the tail. You have to share to download. Okay. Download theme. You will download a zip file. I save this file on my desktop. Now we go back to our dashboard and press add new theme. You can choose from here if you want. You can search theme, or you can upload a theme. You choose the file you have downloaded here, Rivera, and press install now to install an external theme. It's quite slow. If you want, you can also go on use FileZilla in content. In content there is subdirectory themes, and you can upload here. Now we activate the theme. So now we will refresh, and you can see graphic is changed. There are some problems here, maybe because we have to set in menu that this is the primary menu. Okay, here we are. Now there is a new voice here, theme option. There is also theme documentation that help you to set the theme. And in theme option you can choose, for example, slide category, portfolio category, number slide, home page, widget, banner setting, and so on. In WordPress you will use plugins and widget. If you go on widget, you can see that there are some parts where you can insert part of site, for example search, recent posts, recent comments, or delete it. For example, here sidebar is this part, and you can see you have search. If you don't like it, you can delete it or add other widget. Here I have insert another widget that is just text. If you want, here you can insert widget on sidebar or here on footer. For example, now I will move some widget here on footer. You don't need to save. I refresh website and you can see that I have moved here the widget, so you can custom your website as you want. If you go back in home page, you can edit from here page, and if you want you can also insert image. To insert an image in page, press add media. You can upload from your computer and insert an image on the page easily. So you can insert photo or what you want. Every theme works different, so best thing is that you read theme documentation. For example, this theme, you have to go on home page and select template home page, and if you go in appearance theme option, you can set banner setting in home page and set a slider category, and the result will be that you can create a slider and you can create here this icon, and I wrote products, contact us, happiness, but you can do what you want, you can write what you want. Here you have a free space. As I said before, every theme is different, so you have to choose the theme that is better for what you want to do. What we'll discuss here is that is important is the difference between pages. And post pages are a static page, for example home page, who we are, or contact us, so on, while posts are something different, like for example news is something that change. And if you go on post, you can create categories post. For example, I will create news category. You can choose a slug and a description. You add new category, and now if I press on add new, here new offer September text, and you can set featured image. Okay, set featured image, and you choose the category news here and press on publish. Now we have to set on menu the category. Here is another voice news. I will add after home page. If you want, you can set as a sub item just move right. I don't want to do it. I save. Now I refresh my site, and as you can see, I have news with all the news. I create just one news here, new offer September, and so you can create news section or a blog if you want. You can allow comments here or delete it as you want. So I can explain in one way because teams are different, so it depends from the team developer. This is a free team, so it's in part simple, but if you buy a premium team you can do almost everything. It depends on what you want. Now best thing is that you try yourself what we have learned, but just for example, this is the Rivera team example, and you can see how it looks like finished, and it's really nice. If you work on it, if you have the curiosity, if you want to do it, you can do really nice things also on a free team. Okay, thank you everybody. Tutorial is finished. I remember you can find us on webyourmind.com. We are also on Facebook, webyourmind, and we have a lot of tutorial, in part in Italian, in part in English. I just ask you if something is not clear, if you have some question, please write on comments, and if you like this video, if you find that it can be useful, please share it. Thank you everybody, goodbye.